Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a budget with me for my variable expenses that I keep in my wallet, and this is going to be for the last pay period in February. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, sweeties, before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I am so happy, so grateful that you guys are here. And the ones that's been rocking and rolling me this whole time, I'm so grateful for your continued support. And also, the ones who have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. Alright, sweeties. Those are guys that are new watching my channel. I want to let you guys know that over here, I do cash stuffings, expense check-ins, saving challenges, happy mail unboxing. I do a little bit of vlogging, and I also do budgeting. My goals is to save as much as I can and become debt-free. All right, sweeties, how are you guys all doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Me, honey, I'm doing well. So, sweeties, this past weekend, I had so much fun. So, remember, you guys, in one of my previous videos, I talked about how I had to help my older sister out at a church event. You know, she was catering and, putting things together. And so, sweeties, I had so much fun, you guys. Honey, the team that I have been working with, I worked with them last year and this year, honey, the church. Women, they are so beautiful, you guys. We make, once again, y'all, we make a good team. Everything was organized. We had everything out on the tables, nice and neat. And just everything just went smooth, you guys. I had so much fun with those beautiful ladies. And so, sweeties, also, too, I get to spend time with my great little nephews. I love them so much. It was so much fun being around them. So, sweeties, I hope you guys have a fun, safe, and awesome week. All right, sweeties, so today we're going to be doing our little budgeting. And so I'm going to bring out my budgeting book. And here it is, sweeties. This budgeting book is called The Simple Budget Book. This is version 1. And this book was created by Budgeting April. You guys, she has 2 more other books. So, total, she has 3 books. So, she was so nice and kind enough to send me version 1. And so she has the 2 and 3. You guys can find these beautiful books on Amazon. And so also April has a Etsy shop as well. She sells beautiful saving challenges on her Etsy shop. And so you guys go watch her YouTube channel. She is on Instagram also. So, sweeties, I'm going to open this up. And so this is the page that I'm going to be working with today. This one here. And so once again, you guys, so I want to let you guys know that the amount of money that I'm going to be budgeting is going to be a total of $385. All right, sweeties. So once again, here is the page that I'm going to be working with. And so what I usually do, you guys, I usually take out my wallet. And I usually go one by one to make sure that I don't miss anything, my categories that I'm going to be stuffing. And so, sweeties, I have my calculator over here. And so, I'm not going to hold you very long. We're going to get started. All right, sweeties. So, since we are going to be working with $385, so I'm going to take that $385. I'm going to bring it down over here. All right, sweeties, and so the first item or category, we are going to be, let's see, we're going to be budgeting for Keena's funds. So I'm going to write that down here in this section here. And so, sweeties, I think I'm going to give myself, $40. So I'm going to write $40. And so $385 minus $40. That's going to be leaving us, the leftover amount is going to be $345. And so we're going to write that amount down over here. All right, sweeties, we're going to take that $3.45. We're going to place it over here up under amount. And we're going to go to the next category. The next category is groceries. So we're going to write that down. And sweeties, for groceries, I usually give myself $80. And so that's what we're going to be doing right now. And so I'm going to take $345 minus 80. And so let's see how much I come up with. All right, sweeties, that's giving me a total of $265 left over. So I'm going to write it down over here in the leftover amount. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that $265. I'm going to place it over here in this amount. And we're going to turn to our next category. And the next category, it is snacks. I'm going to write that down. And so, sweeties, I'm going to give myself $20 for snacks for this pay period. And so $265 minus 20, that gives me $245. I'm going to write down $245 over here in the leftover amount. I'm going to take that $245. I'm going to place it over here under amount category. And we're going to turn to the next category, which is gas. And gas, I usually give myself $40 worth of gas. And so that's what we're going to be doing. So $245 minus $40 worth of gas. That's going to give me a total of $205. So I'm going to place that $205 over here up under leftover amount. I'm going to bring that $205 over here in this column rather. And so we're going to turn. I usually skip car wash, you guys. Now I'm going to put spending. And so, sweeties, let me see. I think for spending, I'm going to give myself, let's write down $40. All right, sweeties, so we're going to take $205 minus $40. That's going to give me a total of $165. And let's write that leftover amount down on this side here. All right, we're going to bring that $165. We're going to carry it over here up on the amount. And now we're going to turn and we're going to cast stuff. I'm sorry, not cast stuff, y'all. We're going to write down restaurants. And let me see. I think I'm going to give myself $50, you guys, for restaurants. And let's see. We're going to take $165 minus $50. Sorry about the glare, you guys. And, y'all. Wait, let's do that again. 165 minus 50. All right, sweeties, it left me with 115. All right, let's write that amount down, 115. We're going to carry that leftover amount. We're going to carry it over here in this amount column. And we're going to write down the next category. The next category, it is self-care/beauty. And I think I'm going to give myself $20 for that. So let's write that down. Self-care. I'm not going to write down beauty. I'm just going to shorten and put down self-care. And I'm going to give myself, once again, $20. So 115 minus $20. That's going to give me $95 remaining left. So let's write $95 down. We're going to take that 95. We're going to take it over here and place it up on the amount category. We're going to turn and flip. And so we're going to get nails. All right, sweeties. So nails, I am going to get my nails done this weekend. And so I usually give myself $60 for nails. And so let's say $60. So 95 minus 60. Oops. What is going on here, y'all? Wait a minute. 95 minus 60. All right, sweeties, let's give me $35 left. Let's write down $35. And so, sweeties, I'm over this red, y'all. So, I don't know. I think I might get a pink. I haven't worn pink in a little bit, so I'm thinking about a nice pink color, y'all. And I'm thinking about maybe doing some glitter on top of it. I don't know. We'll see. All right, sweeties, so let's take $35 from the leftover amount. We're going to bring it over here in the amount. And we're going to turn to the next category, which is hair. Let me see. Let me write hair down. And I think I'm going to give myself, I think I'm going to give myself, I think I'm going to do $20 for hair. And so let's see, 35 minus 20. Okay, that leaves me with $15 left. So let's write that down. All right, we're going to carry over the $15 and place it over here in this amount. And then let's go to the next category. And that is home supplies. So let's write that down. And I'm going to give myself, I'm going to give myself $10, you guys. And let's see, 15 minus 10. That equals $5. And so let's write that down over here in the leftover amount. Okay, now we're going to take the leftover amount, which is $5. We're going to take it and place it over here in this amount category. And then our last cash stuffing envelope, which is, I don't know what I'm saying, y'all. Y'all, it's late. I'm tired. But anyway, y'all. So the last category we're going to be budgeting for is miscellaneous. And so we're going to take our last $5, y'all. So let's write $5. And so when we have $5 remaining left, and we're going to budget, y'all, for $5. That leaves me with absolutely nothing, and that's zero. So you guys, I am a zero-based budgeter. For those of you guys that are new watching my channel, and that is what I do. I budget all the way down. And so this is what we did. And so I got down the total amount to stuff. It's going to be $385. And so you guys, those of you guys that are new watching my channel, so since I had made the budget out for my cash envelopes, these monies, I have to have it last for the next pay period. So that is what I just showed you. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was short and sweet and to the point. And so, sweeties, that is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications for my video uploads. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my videos. And I will see you in my next one.